Why do huge investment funds often do better than the average retail investor? Well, one of the reasons is they have advanced AI systems to beat the market at scale. So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you guys how to connect your ChatGPT or your Codex and any investing system or trading system that you desire to a live brokerage platform, so you can basically use AI to trade stocks for you and beat the market. With that being said, let's dive in. Okay, so step number one, you're going to need some type of environment and chat interface set up with AI. Now, in this case, you could use Claude, you could use Codex or OpenClaw. In this case, we're going to show this example with Codex, which is ChatGPT's version of Claude Cowork. So what you want to do is go on over and download Codex, the desktop version of the app. So that is step number one. So download, if you're on Mac or if you're on PC, the correct version. Install, setup, log in. Okay, so step number two, you want to connect this chat interface Codex directly to TradingView, so you can access technical analysis, charts, and much, much more. Head on over and download TradingView Desktop. You can see that right here. Download TradingView Desktop, has to be the desktop version. And then what you want to do is go on and download the TradingView MCP. And you can see I've got one here on GitHub, TradingView MCP. I've used this one before and it works pretty well. Okay, and then what you basically do is copy the URL for the TradingView MCP, head on over to Codex, copy this and basically say to Codex, install this and agree to all the dependencies, all the approvals that you need to give this access to your system so it can install this on your PC. Here's what it did: installed the dependencies, verified Codex, ran tests, 29 passed. And then often it might ask you to run a command in your terminal. Don't be scared by that. You don't need to be a coding expert. Just copy and paste the command. Okay, so next we want to test the system and ask it to do a task and work with our TradingView. So we simply say, use the TradingView MCP to draw the support and resistance lines on Google, including its buy points. So the system will connect to the TradingView tools, it will open it, and it will basically get the chart and mark the key buy areas. And I'll show you that exactly on the chart now. So you can see here we have Google, we have the chart, and it's marked all the key areas. So we have its all-time high, we have a resistance, we have a moving average, we have today's low, a psychological support, and a lower Bollinger Band, all marked on the chart via Codex. So Codex did this from our simple prompts, and Claude could do the same, or OpenClaw, just from typing. Now, normally this would take, let's say, a trader at least maybe 20 minutes per chart, but you could set this to do it for hundreds of charts and then give you the best setup. Okay, next I've said to the system, create me a trailing stop trading system, which basically will just move the stop loss up, and then we can execute that on our first trade. Okay, now next, and the crucial step, what we need to do now is connect this to a brokerage platform. Now, I recommend using Alpaca, which is purposely designed to execute from AI or algorithms. Make sure you create a paper trading account to start with. And remember, guys, nothing in this video is financial advice, but if you start with paper trading, there's nothing you can lose. Then basically you connect the system to the Alpaca paper trading account. Head on over to the Alpaca MCP on GitHub. You can see that right here. And again, similar to what we did before, copy the Alpaca MCP, head over to your Codex and simply say, install the Alpaca MCP server, and it will clone that. It will install that and all the dependencies, as we can see here, and then it will ask you for your keys. And now you do this by simply downloading the API endpoint, copy your key, copy your secret key, copy those into Codex. Now, some may say, okay, this is a bit of a security risk. Just rotate your keys after. So do your test, rotate your keys, and remember this on a paper trading account. Don't reveal your keys to anybody. Okay, so we've done that now. We have our TradingView set up. We have our Alpaca set up to execute any strategy, and we have a simple trading strategy, trailing stop trading strategy, but we could use any strategy. Now we simply say to Codex, execute this strategy. And then it will ask us, okay, how many position, what's the size of the position? In this case, I've said approximately 10 shares, and I'd given it a specific target to take profit on. Okay, then boom, took 2 minutes to do that, and it's executed in the Alpaca paper account. Place 2, good till cancel, GTC, 5 shares, and then another 5 shares with a different stop. Now the exit legs are currently held. There we go. We've just used ChatGPT, Codex, TradingView, and Alpaca to use AI to generate trades for us. And this could be done for any trading strategy and made more advanced and more advanced as we need, and set up what are called cron jobs to automate tasks and automate your trading. Okay, so if you want to learn more about how to use AI with investing, I recommend checking out our AI options trading system and course. So this basically is a learning journey and AI investing system to teach you how to earn between 2 to 4% per month, which is 20 to 40% returns per year in an extremely low risk way. Now, of course, this is not for everybody. It's only for those select investors who fit our criteria and we think have the potential to use the system and be successful in the market. If that sounds like you and you're interested in checking it out, apply via the link in the description below, and maybe we'll be speaking on a call and see if it's right for you. With that being said, see you guys in the next one.